Don't even think about it.
Don't even
Don't
think
even
about
think
it.
about it.
Don't even think about it.
Don't even think about it.
Many action
Very
movie.
interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
With the
I want
figure
to
in
talk
the.
about a little bit about designated driver.
Mhm.
George, do we have some other expression like compound word, designated word? Designated.
I think that's
area?
the only expression.
Designated
driver.
area for non-smoking. Not.
Designated area for
area
non-smoking.
non-smoking.
Right.
금연 지정
Right.
장소. Designated area for non-smoking.
Designated.
Non-smoking. And also we have a designated hitter. 지정 타자. Right? 지정 타자.
지명타자?
Yeah, we say
지명타자.
DH. 지명 타자. 지명 타자. Designated table.
table.
Right. Designated
지정석.
area, designated hitter, or yeah. So designated driver. So this would have like compound word 합성어. So you can think about few expressions.
제가 10개만 해서 보내드릴게요.
Designated, blah blah. Designated.
지정서.
야 그런 것도 있죠.
구글이가 도와주세요.
Designated.
저는 이거 단어를 보고
음.
발음이 너무 어려웠는데 그냥 생각에 우리가 뭐 이렇게 지정하고 그렇게 해서 맞춘다는 건 디자인이 된.
Designed, designated.
저는 그렇게 생각했어요.
야, 디자인에서 좋은 것 같아.
디자인이 되어진 이렇게 그러니까 의무로 또는 지정된 그게 디자인되어진 그렇게 된 거라고
그렇게 오셔도
생각해요.
됩니다.
아니
그러면
그렇게 만들어진 단어가 아닐까
혹시-
생각을 했어요.
혹시 임명장 designated certificate 말 돼요?
That's assigned. designated, right? 그것도 되겠다.
designated.
지명 인사 뭐 이렇게 해가지고
designated
the position 뭐 이런 거.
그럼 찾아서
지명
제가 올리고 있어요. 지금 10개.
지명자가 누구냐? in that case nominated.
노미네이트
That's
맞죠?
nominated. 그때 nominated. 지명자. 노벨상 지명자 이렇게 할 때 nominated. 그건 nominated고 보통 designated area 지정석 designated seat도 있다. 지정석.
노미네이트 되다는 우선
후보로
된 거잖아.
후보로
지정된 하고 또
좀 달라. 그래서 우리가 지정성, 지명 타자, 금연 지정 area 이럴 때 씁니다.
노미네이트 되다 하고는 달라. 조금 달라.
The other thing I wanted to comment is the word un. Un. Un often means before a word it reverses the meaning of that word.
Yes, that's right. 반대.
So like unfit, you have unfit here.
Unfit.
Is the fit means you can do it. Unfit means you cannot do it.
Yes.
Unhappy, happy,
Yes.
unhappy. Okay?
Same.
It's a very
Stable,
important word, un, un,
Yes.
because it reverses. And you, in Korean, you have the same thing. You, in your Hangul, you have the same thing. You have this, you use it in a
안
verb.
먹어.
좋은 안 좋은
해.
안 좋은.
안 돼요.
안 해.
돼,
안
안 돼.
먹어. 안
돼요, 안
돼.
돼요.
We say that like prefix,
언어로
right?
안 하고.
Prefix.
Yeah, prefix. It's a very important prefix.
In Korea, 불, 미, 무.
That's right.
불가하다.
불, 미,
미비하다. 맞아요.
행,
불, 미, 부. In Korea.
yes.
그거는 appointment는
차이니스래요.
appointment.
그러니까
조금씩 좀 다르게 씁니다.
다르게 쓰는
appoint, 뭐 assigned, designated, nominated 다 조금씩 다르.
아니 designated seat하는 지정석
네.
지정석. designated seat. 그것도 많이 쓰잖아, 그죠? 지정석. designated seat.
진짜로?
그런 분 있죠?
지정.
Okay, what I want to talk about today is how the world has changed. And I want to make you all feel young. Okay?
Oh, really?
Why? Because I want you to make you feel young because there are things that were before you that have disappeared. Disappeared. And what I have in my hand is one very important item. Okay? Only you and I remember.
Is that why? Oh, I wonder
이것이
what it is.
무엇이냐면
What is that?
This is a slide rule.
다요?
It's a slide rule. When I was in school, there were no calculating machines. No, you could not pick up a small thing like this and multiply. Could not do.
Yeah, no
They
calculator.
did not exist. Okay? And you had to do everything on a slide rule. All your multiplication, your division, all your exams and everything, you had to do in a slide rule. It slid back and forth. And it had many scales. This particular slide rule has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
수많은 단위들.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, about 20 scales on here. Each scale is a different type of calculation. It has 10, it has the logs, log base 10, log base E, many different log systems, many different ways of looking at sines, cosines, and those things.
Wow.
So in engineering courses, when I went to school, when you carried one of these, you were very proud.
Oh.
It showed that you were taking math, difficult courses. All the difficult courses, you used this type of thing. Because no ability to multiply, divide, and subtract, those things. Now, one thing this will not do is add and subtract. When I took a course in accounting, I had to add long figures. It had to be done in your head. Yeah.
대시벨.
So you are all very young because you do not remember this item. It was absolutely critical. In an exam, you would not hear click, 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 click on a machine, calculator. You'd hear, all you'd hear is a slide.
선생님 직접 손 써서 재진 않지요.
Now, what's amazing about this? No battery.
배터리 필요 없어요. 예.
No battery.
No Wi-Fi. No need Wi-Fi.
No Wi-Fi.
예.
No plug.
플러그 필요 없고.
No plugs. When was this invented?
When was it?
This was
언제까?
invented in the 16th century.
와, 16세기.
In the 16th century it was invented.
이것도 또 어르신이네. 예.
You still keep it.
And then over time,
조지스 뭐든
골동품이.
월동
골동.
Yeah, like we used to use Jupan, right? But
Calculator.
주판 썼어요?
yeah,
Oh,
when I
really?
was in elementary school.
Oh, really? My mother used to say about that. Yeah,
But we never keep them. But he keeps.
she got the license. She got the license.
나도 주사랑은
Oh,
받았어.
right. We at the time we had to pass some exams.
Yeah,
to
yeah,
get
yeah,
license,
yeah,
right?
조지스
Have you seen Korean
Very
calculator
old
Jupan? Small tool.
Counting
seen?
material.
Using
Adding machine.
calculator like
Chinese counter.
yeah,
using some.
you had the beads.
네, beads.
What do they
예.
call it? I forget what.
주판.
Who?
주판.
Jupan?
주판.
In
I had
Korea.
a different name for it. I don't remember the name. But
많이 뭔지 알려줘요.
Chinese counter. Chinese.
the Chinese
Abacus. Abacus.
Abacus.
This one.
Abacus?
Abacus.
Oh, no, it's abacus.
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 The abacus. Yeah.
Remember?
You know?
We never learned how to do
안
abacus.
배웠죠. 아시아 거잖아요.
아시아 거요?
We never learned.
저도 처음 보네요. 에버커스 여기 있네.
So this one,
선생님
huh?
해봤어요? 이렇게?
Until when?
장사꾼들.
제가 뱅고 학원 아닌 주변 친구들 많이 했지.
아,
Until when?
okay. Now, what is interesting?
오용.
What is interesting? I went to graduate school for my paksa, my
Yeah.
doctorate, in 1970. Okay? 1970, you had to use.
아,
I took a course in physical chemistry, and I took another course in a very difficult course in fluid dynamics. I had to use this. I had to use it. And I remember one time I got on the wrong scale
아,
Scale.
and I got the wrong answer. But the teacher knew I used the right process.
과정은 맞았다는 걸
So I
아시게. 이해돼.
got not full credit, but I got some credit. When did the change happen? And it happened very fast. Okay? My second year in graduate school at Penn State, and that was 1971, none of these available. 1972, I took a course in fluid dynamics. Somebody had a calculator.
아, 이게 뭐야?
Wow, I was amazed.
Yeah.
So I asked this lady, how much did that calculator cost?
아, 얼마?
$800.
800불?
$800. So I said, no, I give up. I cannot afford $800. I have to use my slide rule.
예.
But by the next year, the calculator price had dropped
그렇지.
to 1/10,
예.
from $800 to $80. And the next year, it had dropped another, so it was $20. By then, slide rules no longer, all gone. The company that made slide rules out of business. And it happened within about a year. It went from everyone using slide rule in 1971 or 1972 to 1973, nobody used a slide rule. So it's an example of something that immediately becomes, what you can say, not used. It's done. It's one of the few things.
Similar to our Japan.
It is what is most interesting about this. There are many changes that happen. In Korea, electric cars. Right now, that revolution is going on in Korea. You go out every day, you see more electric cars, right? This is a revolution. It's slow, chun-chun-hee. And there are other revolutions. The ballpoint pen. None of you remember the first ballpoint pens. The first ballpoint pens were unchoyo. They were awful. And slowly they got better and better. Before that, we used ink pens. Ink.
The price of the personal computer was similar.
Another thing.
In 19.
Right, but again, with the PCs, we call them a PC, it was a slow revolution. When I wrote my thesis, I had to do it all on a typewriter. On a and in fact, the final, I had to hire somebody to type.
Oh, really?
Yeah, my father paid like $5,000 to have his dissertation typed. No computer. No computer. So, and remember the first computers? Unchoyo. You'd be working and then everything disappear.
Very expensive.
And you had floppy disks. Remember? But this revolution occurred within 2 years. From everyone using this to nobody using it. So I'll pass it around. You can take a look at it. It's very.
봐보셔요.
주세요. And on the inside, I have my name and the social group I was in case I lost it. I had my name.
슬라이드 롤이라고 합니다.
It's called the slide rule.
우리말로는 계산자, 계산첩, 자첩을 쓰겠죠. 올렸어요, 우리.
George, at that time, was that expensive? Very expensive?
저기 말이야.
It was pretty expensive, like $50.
꽤 비싸죠. 그때 $50면 꽤 큰 건데.
They had different grades of slide rules.
Yeah.
Some not as precise.
Yeah.
This one, the best one.
아,
This is the best. This is called the Rolls Royce of slide rules,
아.
made by K&E.
슬라이드 롤의 롤스로이스래요. 그쪽 동네 롤스로이스.
뚜껑을 못 쳤어.
Find some surely like that. 슬라이드 롤.
Slide rule.
컬시브 필기체는 아직 익숙해지가 않아요.
But I wanted you to realize you're also young.
전 안테나,
also
I
young.
guess I didn't in the world at the time. 그때 안테나가
But a slide rule was absolutely critical. You had to have one if you were studying mathematics or engineering topics. Yeah, you had to have it. So, 감사합니다.
예, 감사합니다.
Any other questions? Any
No,
questions?
that's it. That's enough, I think. Yes, 12:15 already.
Finish.
That's it for today 하시고, 예, 식사 점심 하실 분들은 상의해 보시기 바랍니다. 오늘 수업은 여기까지 하겠습니다. 꺼야지.